Hello everyone, I'm Sundog and this is Pokey Moonshine.
And we're learning the trail!
Today we're at Marcy Dam in the Adirondack High Peak Wilderness. And we're gonna go find out if there's a table on top of Tabletop Mountain. Let's check it out. This is Pelkey Brook. The last time we were here in May, this sucker was raging. Van Hovenberg Trail. It leads to Tabletop Mountain and Mount Marcy. Tabletop is a side trail, unmarked side trail. So that's Phelps Mountain. Kaylee and I climbed that a few months ago. Be sure to check out our video on that. It's a really fun climb. Great summit up there. The green jungle. Forest is carpeted in moss. We actually just past the turnoff for Tabletop Mountain. We're gonna walk a few hundred feet up this way, take a little side trail over to Indian Falls, check that out real quick, and then come back and hit Tabletop. Oh yeah. Range. We're at Indian Falls. Yep.
I started at Adirondack Lodge today.
So that was pretty awesome checking out Indian Falls. Now we're back to the trail junction with Tabletop Mountain. We're gonna get it done. This is some of the stuff we're running into early heading up Tabletop. Check out that trail. Nice and rooty. We are making quick progress at this point up Tabletop. Getting a peep through. There's Colden. Nice view of it. Over there is Algonquin. You can only see its head right now. Only a little ways to go. Still not quite to the top here, but we are picking up views. Alright, Callie. So have you found the table up here on Tabletop?
I don't think there is one.
You don't think there is one?
But we can always still look.
You think they were pulling your legs maybe?
Maybe.
Maybe. So Tabletop doesn't have a big sweeping open vista. But we got a pretty nice view of Basin, Haystack, and Marcy, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. You got some muddy shoes.
Yep.
Yep, this is a Tough Mudder trail.
I wish there was another trail up here.
Yeah. You deal with what you got.
It's
At least you got dry socks. Making our way down Tabletop, we're afforded some pretty nice views. Get your feet off of that tabletop. Ready to get out of here?
Mm-hmm.
Let's do it.
Now we're just standing down here. Shoulder.
We made it back down to Marcy Dam.
Didn't take too long.
Popular place right now.
Yeah. And there's noodles in the
Pokey Moonshine. You got to put your muddy boots on the tabletop. What did you think of the hike?
It was really fun.
It was really fun. You say that a lot. What made this one fun?
Getting to like see Marcy Dam again and stuff.
Yep. And we also visited Indian Falls.
Right.
What did you think of that?
Very pretty.
Very pretty. Great view.
Great view of Algonquin,
Yep.
McIntyre's.
Yep. That was a well worth it side trip that cost us an extra 2 minutes. Totally worth it. Congratulations on your 15th high peak.
Same with you.
Thank you. And I would also like to say happy birthday because this is your birthday hike.
Thank you.
I hope you had a lot of fun.
I did.
Her birthday is tomorrow. Thanks for tuning in. Keep learning the trails. We'll see you next time.